Welcome back to Ketorific Journey with Mike. I'm Mike, Reformed Fat Man. And today we're going to do a review and taste test of the HighKey vanilla wafers. They call them wafers, but they're vanilla flavored wafers, so vanilla wafers. We're also going to look at, oops, wrong one, the Good jam. This is blueberry. It says keto friendly, made with real berries. So let's find out. So the HighKey cookies, they say they have 1 gram of net carbs. It says there's 3 servings per container and there's 3 ounces in a container, so you get an ounce of cookies. If you eat 1 ounce of cookies, which is 12 cookies, it's 120 calories. If you eat the whole container, it's 330 calories. Let's see, 10 grams of fat, 4 of which saturated, no trans fat, 15 cholesterol, 160 milligrams sodium, 14 total carbs, 4 dietary fiber, less than 1 gram of total sugars, 0 added sugars, and there's 9 grams of erythritol. So 9 plus 4 is 13. Take that away from 14 total carbs, that's 1 net carb. 1 net carb. So you would, and you do the math, if you have control issues and eat the whole bag, which I can see that happening even with me. All right, so let's open these up. Let's see how well they tear to open. Oh, they did right. Don't have to get the scissors. Well done, HighKey. This time. So that's 1 cookie. They're small. They're small. The HighKey cookies are typically small. So there's 12 cookies in a serving. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Let me get another 3 out here. So I'll show you what you get in 1 serving. That's 1 serving right there. That's a decent amount of cookies. That's all right. I like that. So let's give it a taste. I smell vanilla, and I smelled it when I opened the package. Oh, now that's really strong coming out of the package, and it's still strong, just 1 cookie. So that's a vanilla wafer. I don't know how to put it any other way. That's a vanilla wafer. I like that. I like that a lot. Dang, you're in danger. So they've HighKey has done it. They duplicated a vanilla cookie. I'm impressed. The ingredients list is almond flour, erythritol, buttercream, milk, natural flavor, resistant cassava fiber, egg whites, oligofructose, whatever the heck that is, natural vanilla flavor, and other natural flavors, stevia extract, monk fruit extract, baking soda, salt, guar gum, and xanthan gum. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. So you get, they even show you how to do the net carbs right there. So that's all right. I'm impressed with you. I'm impressed with this. So let's look at the good jelly or jam. This container is 12 ounces. 17 servings in here. One serving is a tablespoon. That's decent size there. You could smear a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with that and get it to work. It's 0 fat, 0 saturated fat, 0 trans carbs, no sodium, no cholesterol, 4 grams of total carbs, 0 grams of fiber. Well, let's see. 1 total sugar, 0 added sugar, sugar alcohols. That thing is messed up on. I got another one here, the strawberry. Let's see if I can read it on that. 3 grams. It's all the same on both. This is the strawberry, so it's 1 net carb. It doesn't say it on it that it's 1 net carb that I see, so, but let's see what the ingredients are. This one has strawberries, of course, but let's see what the blueberry says it has. Blueberry, water, sweetener, which is erythritol and steviol glycosides, gelling agent, pectins for that, and citric acid. Preservatives are potassium sorbate, and they have an acidity. Man, it's a rough day. Regulator, calcium citrates. They say they're vegetarian and vegan. So it's got a long shelf life. This is good till July of next year. I bought these at, I believe it was Ingles. But I've seen them at Ingles and I've seen them at, I'll be back. I apologize for that. Somebody came to the door and my dogs went nuts. So let's try this good jam, blueberry jam. Oh, I got this. They sell it at 2 places around me. They sell it at Ingles, which is a store here in the Southeast. They're based out of Asheville, North Carolina. And they also sold it at Publix. So I saw it at Publix and I saw it at Ingles. Ingles has a better price. So if you want to, after you see this or you want to try it, that's where I found it. This I found at Kroger. Found this at Kroger. So I was real pleased with it, but I have also seen it in Walmart lately. Not a lot, mainly in Kroger. Kroger's really stepped up their game with stuff. So let's pull out this. Let me stir this up just a touch. Get just a little bit. That's blueberries. I taste blueberries. That's good. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit on one of these vanilla wafers. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's really good. I like that a lot. I like that. Oh, yeah. That's a hit. That's a hit right there. That is a hit. So now let's see what the strawberry tastes like. My wife has already been in the strawberry. Got a little bit. That's really good too. I taste strawberry. Smell strawberry. Smell blueberry. Let's try a little bit on a cookie. Mm-hmm. I'll be back. Okay. I apologize again. So these are hits. They are hits. They're not bad at all. They're really good. I'm going to just keep going. I hope y'all can stand the dark. Until next time, this is Mike with Ketorific Journey saying, let's be careful out there.